How to sign in Discord. So if you want to sign in to your Discord, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Discord. And here in the first search you will have discord.com. Click on that, and now you can go for Open Discord, which is on the upper right. And after clicking on Open Discord, now here you will have this login information, like it will take you to the login page. So first you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and then on the next blank you have to create your password, and then on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. Click on that and then you can reset or recover it. But if you remember it, simply click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.